What up, YouTube? Today is gonna be a different video. Well, I say it every video, but today is really gonna be a different video. Well, I guess every video is technically different.
Bruh.
Anyway, today's gonna be a different video, and I just want to show you what the guy that has a full-time job goes through having a part-time eBay business, along with family, just doing, of course, eBay part-time and working full-time. I've been at work since 6 o'clock this morning. I'm about to get off at 2, and I still got a whole day ahead of me. The day hasn't even really started for me yet, you know what I'm saying? So today's Saturday. I couldn't go to any yard sales or anything because, of course, everything's in the morning. So I'm gonna try to hit a yard sale on the way home, see if they still have anything, and stop at the office. And me and my wife and kids have something to be doing later on, and just want to take you along with me. All right, so typical day of Tesla pickers day. All right, let's go. All right, off work. Doesn't it feel good when you get off work?
Yes, sir.
It just feels wonderful. You all tired at work, and as soon as you walk out the door, you get this boom, you back up to 100%. That's how I feel right now. Two things. I'm stop over at the office. Got some stuff to do over there real quick because my wife has something she wants to do later. And I'm gonna stop at the estate sales right up the street from the office. Hopefully I can find some stuff there and show you. Estate sale started at 8. There's mixed reviews about being the first person at the estate sale, the last person at the estate sale. There's goods to both of them, I guess. Be the first person, you get to pick up a litter. Be the last person, you might get a good deal. So who knows? Today's not the last day anyway. Tomorrow Sunday is. So I'm gonna go over here, see if we can find some stuff. And if I find some stuff, I'll show you what I got. All right, let's get over here and see what's up. Let's go. Okay, I'm at the office. I actually got some stuff from that estate sale, the one that I was 8 hours late to.
And I think that's it. Okay. I'll just give you 100 just to make it even.
Cabbage Patch Kids, Olympic Kids. Found some stuff, and I'll show you here in a few. Just wanted to kind of, every time I do a video, I want to show y'all something new that I did, because every day we get in here and we trying to make our own. And one thing we did was we put up this shelf, nice shelf right over the table. Trying to streamline everything, you know, put all your tapes and your tape measures, your scissors, rubber bands, whatever you need to pack, we putting up there. And that actually took everything off the table, giving us more space to do, pack and do all that, which I pretty much like. This is an 8-foot table. You probably can't tell from this GoPro. This is 8 foot long. The shelf is exactly 8 foot long. So yeah, and we put these, we made these, well, Scott made these real quick because I'm short, so it didn't bother me, but he's a little taller, so he was having to bend over and it was hurting his back. So he's off the floor about 8 to 10 inches, and that works fine. I like it. So that's something that we did. We slowly but surely bringing our boxes over. I still got a lot more boxes to bring over. As you can see, my side is filling up a little bit more. I'm bringing everything over, and I'm gonna streamline it as far as put everything in bins and stuff once I get everything over here and try to get my custom SKUs and all that together. And another thing that we did, we got our internet, we put up our clothes racks. Rack up here, rack down here. So if we do get some clothes, this is where we can hang them. And I don't think you've seen this too. This is where we're gonna take pictures. Oh, well, I don't wanna mess that up. So, it's a nice little booth. It gets real bright. I'm liking it, loving it. So yeah, that's the new things we've added. And like I said, every day we're doing something new. This is gonna be a lounge area, probably the last thing we do as far as refrigerator. A nice couch. We're gonna put a TV on the wall over here. And so if the kids come, they can play their Xbox, PlayStation, watch TV. And we can do the same, I guess. But yeah, so yeah, it's coming along. It's coming along real nice. I'm gonna bring my sock machine, heat press and everything, put it over here. I'll tune y'all into that when that does happen. But I want to show you right now what I got. I got a number of things. I spent $20. I spent $20 on this stuff. $25 on the stuff that I got. Didn't look a lot of it up. I just kind of threw some stuff in there. Let's just get right into it. And maybe we look up some comps, because I don't know. I got this Dave and Goliath set. Now, it's missing volume 1. And well, these actually switched. So I don't know. I mean, I guess I'll price it accordingly. But the reason why I got it is because most of these are still factory sealed. 2, 3, and 4 are not, and volume 1 is missed. So I had to price that accordingly. But I take it back. I did look this up, and if I find the cop, I'll put it on the screen. But I believe it was going for like $60, $75, something like that. And like I said, I paid $25 for everything. So you have to, let me see what I get. I'm about a couple of dollars into that, I guess, if you had to divide everything. Next thing I got was this Gold's Gym ankle weights. Of course, with the pandemic, a lot of weightlifting, our workout gear is going pretty good, and hadn't looked that up, but maybe I have the comp, maybe I won't. This right here, this is what I probably spent the most on. That's probably the reason why. It's a Zeppo lighter. I need to look this up to see what it goes for. It's a nice lighter. I spent $7 on it, so I will look that up. Right there. Some wrist weights, 2-pound wrist weights. More workout stuff. Some stretch bands. More workout gear stuff. And I got this Financial Peace University, which I've been through about 5 years ago. Me and my wife are debt free, besides the house. And I recommend it, man. You know, he hypes you. He hypes you just to do it, basically. That's all it is, really. It's following somebody, and you know, that's all. When it comes to doing anything, all it is people hyping you, and you just have to stay in that mindset and frame and do it. And he got me there, even though I don't agree with some of the stuff that he does, but he got me to where I need to become debt free, and that's all that matters, right? Besides the house. So I recommend that if anybody's going through any type of debt, just listen to him, and he'll light a fire under you. Another one. Dave Ramsey, Financial Peace, it's with a leather case. Buy your beers, all kinds of stuff in there. And I got this RFX 300 Zoom, the digital like media effects and stuff like that. I'm probably gonna keep this because this has a lot of different. I don't know. I got so many stuff. I probably won't keep this. Why am I lying? But we'll see. I'm gonna read up and see if it does anything that I don't have at home. Calculator, HP calculator. I don't know what this stuff. A lot of stuff. Let me just go in the back. A lot of stuff I just threw in here. I got this, a stun gun. It works, I believe. Let me see. Does it work? On? Yeah, it works. Bruh. So I got that. I was gonna give that to my wife. And some knickknacks, remote control, little webcam. I have to look that up, see if that goes for. And some remotes and Dremel charger. And I don't know, a webcam, a Logitech charger is what it seemed like. I couldn't find the camera. And this Tupperware, which this Tupperware goes for about $20, $20-something. This is actually a pretty nice find. I tend to get Tupperware when I go places. A lot of times I keep it because that old Tupperware is nice. I just like it, so. that's what I got, man. A quick 15 minutes. I got all that because, like I said, my wife, we have something to do, and I couldn't stay on there that long, and I just threw that stuff. And as you can see by the footage, there was a lot of stuff in there. And I got to talking. I actually seen another guy that runs the estate sales that I went to like last week or a week or two ago. He was in there. I talked to him for a while, and I talked to the guy that was running that one. It was their first one, and got a few numbers, man. So it's gonna be some stuff to come soon. Talk to the people there if you can. Had a good rap section with both of them at the same time, and they love that I'm in their film. They said it's just kind of putting them out there. They don't mind it. A lot of people do for some reason. I don't know why, but they were just telling me like, yeah, man, come over, film, do what you got to do. If share it, tag, do whatever you can do to put us out there. And I agree. The more exposure, the better. And who knows? But yeah, I'm done talking. I talked too long. I got stuff I got to do. My wife is taking me to this neat place. Me and my kids. They have the longest underground zip line there. I don't know if we're doing a zip line, but then they have this obstacle course too, where you're up high and stuff. So me, my wife, one of my buddies, his wife and kids, we all going, and I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek. All right, so I'm done with this. I only spent 15 minutes over here. It's time to get up out of here. All right, real quick, let me pause. I got a package in the mail, and I had to open it. I had to do it. It's from my guy, Commonwealth Picker, over Kevin over at Commonwealth Picker and Commonwealth Flipper. Is that your names, Kevin? You got so many channels. Bruh. I think it's Commonwealth Picker and Commonwealth Flipper, I think. Anyway, let's just open it up real quick. Oh, wow. Kevin, you outdid yourself this time, man. You done outdid yourself. I'm over here trying to design my shirt, and then I pull this shirt out, and this is making me rethink everything. I'm loving the shirt, man. Yeah, man, I'm loving it. For all of you guys who live under a rock, this is Kevin over at Commonwealth Picker's shirt. I guess it's a new design that he just came out with. And I was fortunate enough to get one, and these are nice, Kevin, man. Shout out to Kevin, man. If y'all not following, follow him, Kevin. I'm sure he's going to have these for sale soon, so go check him out. Thanks a lot, Kev. My son calling me. I tell you, I can't even get home good. What? Yeah, I'm almost home. I'll be there in a few.
How YouTube?
You know I got YouTube on here.
Because I see a GoPro.
So it ain't always YouTube, just because I got the GoPro.
But your face in my face. And oh, every time you face my face with that GoPro, you're recording.
I can't hear you. All right, I'll be there in a few.
Okay.
Bye. Bruh. See, I can't even get. It's always something. I can get 5 minutes by myself, but let me get home. Hey, okay? You okay? You okay? Special Kulu socks. If you need a pair, KuluSocks.com, or just hit me up. Email me. Nah. Ready to have a good time? Huh?
Yep. You bring your GoPro.
What we about to do?
I don't know. I've never been here.
You never been here.
I've been here before, but not for like the obstacle course. I was too small.
All right, let's go in here and see what's up, Mom.
And I'm not.
Where you just put it? Got it? Good job. Good. You having problems, Cam? There you go. About to hit the zip line port. You have fun at Maker Tavern?
Yeah. My hands hurt.
Your hands hurt?
Yeah. My neck hurt.
Neck hurt?
Bruh.
Put your mask on. We had a good time now. Where we going? Buffalo Wild Wings. Cam, did you hear me about scrubbing your underarms when you get up there?
What?
Make sure you scrub his underarms.
Daddy said scrub your underarms before you order it.
Bruh.
And that's just a typical day of what I go through every day. All right. Long day. 9 o'clock at night, and guess what? I gotta go to work in the morning and do it all over again. All right. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Peace. Hello, boy.